So what is up, guys? Today, look at this. What am I? Alright, today we're going to a waterfall. I think we're gonna have some fun with some friends in COVID time, but it's okay. So so here we are again. We made it, but we haven't yet into the waterfall, but we're gonna go for it very soon. So yeah.
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh no. There's much that I can do, really far big us too, and I miss you, baby. Show me the way I can be with you. You and her, I know I saw you. Breaks my heart, but what can I do? It's like I know I lost you for you.
It's so wet I cannot bring the camera, so I'm recording with the cell phone. You know, it's super cool though. I think I'm gonna fly with the drone, and that's gonna be a pretty good shot. But I'm not sure about it because I don't wanna get it wet, you know. So that's it. Daniel. So what is up, guys? Right now we are in a fucking volcano. It's also a ski center, a ski resort. You can see it right there. Also the view for right here, it's amazing. Just look at this. It's amazing. So I tried to do a flip as I will show you the video right now, and I failed. So yes. And well, so right now we're going back home because we had actually fun here in the volcano. It's actually a ski center in winter, of course, because right now it's summer. So yes, see you in the house or see you home, whatever you say. Bye bye.